Want to increase the skills of your workforce? Want to be sure that your employees' skills are on the rise? Then find quality continuing education or retraining from Hansavest Training Center. We offer retraining in TIG, MIG-MAG, and MMA welding. Your employees will have plenty of opportunities to strengthen their skills in our up-to-date training lab. In addition, through TUV Nord, we are involved in the certification of welders. We know how important role play metal CNC milling machine operators in the metal industry. Accordingly, we are equipped with state-of-the-art CNC training equipment and programs. Initially, the training takes place on the Haas desktop mill milling machine, and later on the Hartford milling machine. In this way, we ensure a comprehensive consolidation of practical knowledge and skills. A specialization in CNC wood milling is also available. Robotic machine operators are the key persons in the successful development of our industry. Accordingly, our robotic apprenticeship is carried out on FANUC and ABB robotic machines. With our leading-edge training equipment, your employees will be able to achieve maximum competence. Hansavest Training Center's training programs will take your company's employees to new levels of productivity and performance. Contact us and together we will find the best solution.